So on my second trip, I encountered another little issue, and that was more or less something that already happened before. I got an issue with my door locks of my sliding door. On the outside everything works fine. You can unlock it over there, and it locks over here, and unlock it here. However, it's a different story on the inside. So when I want to unlock on the inside, you see this is stuck. This doesn't work. So I have to go outside and lock it over here. Now on the last trip, it also started happening with just opening the door. So I still could open the door on the inside, but now I'm totally stuck. So now I have to leave through the driver or passenger door just to be able to get to the outside. So now I had to replace or repair it. I got me a spare part. So unfortunately you have to replace the whole doorknob, but that's what I did. So first then get the old one off. You have to slide it down, I think, yeah. Then you can take the cover off, pull it off at the top, and then slide it up. So you see it's connected to two cables, one for the lock when it's open and one for the door lock when it's closed. I have to remove these two cables, one here and one there. This one is the easy one, I think. That just has to slide out. And then it's just clamped here, so that's one. That's easy. This one has the same system, so I have to slide it out here. And then you're able to get it out. The top one is a new one, and the bottom one, of course, the one that isn't working anymore. First of all, you can see that this one is just entirely broken off, and of course it's plastic, so it's just a money maker. So I got my cable. I should put in the bottom one first, I think. That's the easy one. Okay, that's in there. Then the top one. And it has to go. Okay. That's it. Let's see. It seems to work, so let's check it out. Yeah, and to avoid stress on it, what I see now, my van is a little bit lower to the front, so is when you open it, the best thing probably would be is just to push it back a little bit so you take the stress off that lever and then open it. That way it will endure. Okay. And that works too. So I tightened the screws and replaced the covers on it, and it works beautifully. It probably takes only a minute to replace it. And the cost was about $37 that I paid. Anyone can do it. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.